Okay, y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle. This box we have in front of us right here. This is the latest of the what I'm calling the round body paddle locks that I've been collecting. Kind of like the shape of this one. They all seem to have a different series number, so I've just been calling them the round body paddle locks. Not to be confused with the discus locks, but this is the latest one I got. Picked it up from, not worried about this key code. I'm not going to put it on anything high security outside that I'm worried about, so yippee-ki-yay. So I picked this one up from LSI Depot online. And they also carry Medico, Abloy, and the Cobra, which is this one right here. So let's get this stuff over here out of the way. As you can tell, when I got it, this box was blown out. Pretty jacked up. I haven't tried picking it yet, but I did look at it because it kind of fell out of the box anyways. And that. So there is the key. Okay, so they got the Cobra right on the key bow also. Very, very nice bitting. Very nice. You couldn't ask for better than that. That's great. And it looks to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hopefully it's pinned up to 6 because it is a 6-pin key. This one here, Series 8200. And I really like, I like the COBRA lock deal on the front here. I think they probably should have put that hardened on the back, if anywhere at all, because this would have looked great, just boom, right there. Maybe a little bit of paint sunk into it, make it pop. But nice looking lock. Oh yeah, okay, and they've got the grub screw on the back, so you can change the shackle out if you'd like to for a longer shackle, depending on your personal needs. So let's check it out. Okay, obviously double ball locking. Got a screw down there so we can take it apart if we get to that. A little bit of sharp, well yeah. Not the best of tooling on the hole right there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. You see that? Not the best of tooling. Don't want to beat it up too bad though, because it looks to be a pretty decent lock. So let's see what it takes to pick into it, and let's see if what this thing's packing under the hood. Alright. Is it getting stuck or am I doing something wrong? Okay. Doing something wrong. Alright, so yeah, let's pick into it and see what's under the hood. What do you say? Good looking so far though. Alright, so let's just use some standard, let me see that keyway. Yeah. Pretty basic. Someone was asking me about these again, y'all. I just take some heavy bars or whatever, tension wrenches from Sparrows and just put a bend in them. About that much. Okay? I hope that helps. It's kind of hard to say how much that is, but that much. Alright? Just bend them. Just don't bend it too far because then they'll flop out. Okay? There you go. Alright, and let me just grab the tool of the trade, the gem. That should work just fine in this lock. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang, the magic words. And by the way, the Band-Aid, that was a lock wound. Yeah, won't get into it, but bringing in the new year the right way with an injury. Okay, let's see what we got in this puppy. Camera okay? I always tend to roam off over that way. Alright. Alright, I guess we'll start in the back because we got a binder right there. Alright. I think. Yep. Yep, for sure. Okay, beautiful. And I might have detected a security pin there. I'm hoping there is. I think that was 6, so 5. Okay. That one I did not, I don't think that one was a security pin. Kind of hard to tell right now, but okay. Working our way through here. I'm not too confident on security pins now. So that last one just kind of popped into place. Oh my goodness. God, I hope we didn't lose that if it did open. Let's see. Work with me here. Okay, we got it. That's why it popped. Alright, so yeah, not sure it's packed full of security pins. It wouldn't have been that straightforward, especially with bidding like that. Okay, so let's tear into it and see what's under the hood. What do you say? Let's get us a pin and tray. That ought to work. And a Phillips screwdriver right there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Don't see any Loctite. Nice and thick, but not well machined. Kind of on the cheaper side, to be perfectly honest. Okay, it does not have a anti-bypass wafer that looks like this. They go on like this, but you didn't need one on here because the lobe, I pointed this out before, this lobe, if you will, the half moon, is going against the keyway, so you couldn't use a bypass tool on it anyways. Alright, so let me lock it back up. I've got to get my specs on so we can dig into it. Alright, now I'm going to try and use this tool again, this gut wrench, but I usually don't have good luck with it. Well, that one came off pretty darn easy. Okay, that figures. Alright, key again. Okay, you know me, you know I'm going to use a shim. I always use a shim. I've had too many locks come apart on me to not use one. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. We're going to bridge that. We're going to slide it out. Just like that. Okay, now 6 pin. Nice. It's pinned up to all 6, so that's a good thing. You know, we really hate to see like Master Lock's good at it. You might see a 6-pin key, and actually it'll have a 6-pin core also, and they don't bother pinning up that last one, but they did, so good on them. Okay, so you know how we're going to do this part. It's extremely boring taking these out of here and laying them out, so I'll speed this part up for y'all, and we'll come back when I've got it laid out, okay? Okay, so we're back, got the pins laid out. Let me take a look with my specs on and look at these pins real quick. Okay, this is not good. Kind of disappointed big time on these pins. So let me get a little pointer or something to point with. There we go. Alright, so what we've got is some of those pins we call blob pins, I think. Well, not as bad. This almost looks like it was supposed to be a tapered pin, or they're just cut real bad. But there are technically no security pins in this lock whatsoever. So that's a big letdown. It does have all 6, so we'll give them credit for that, and it's a decent build on the lock. Not awful. And they did put the grub screw on the back so you can change the shackle out. So it's nowhere near the, say, the Harbor Freight type of lock. Complete garbage with the blob pins. These aren't that bad, but not great. So I can't give this one here a 2 thumbs up. But again, on the lock build, I will give it a thumbs up. 1 thumb. Alright, so that's it. That is the COBRA Lock I picked up from LSI Depot online. If you're interested, check it out. If not, don't. Alright, so that's it. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps support this channel. Alright, if you like this video, hit that like button. It looks like that. Okay? Thank you very much.